CHZ by and large faces our position at 20 cents, which truly is genuinely critical. CHZ in a real sense acquired roughly 1.43% inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, or so they all things considered, thought. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the very past week acquiring 0.6%, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. 03 December 2023, in this video we will generally walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and truly attempt to answer these often essentially clarified pressing issues, facts, what generally is transient cost expectation for Chilliz. In a real sense, is CHZ a truly wise speculation? Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on, so 03 December 2023, in this video, we will basically walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and attempt to answer these much of the time truly clarified pressing issues, facts, what certainly is essentially transient cost expectation for Chilliz. Generally, is CHZ a sort of wise venture, or so they for the most part thought. In any case, prior to jumping kind of profound into the CHZ specialized examination, generally let us truly discuss the especially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,484,537,238,437, which really is very huge. The complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $45,105,667,806 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33%, which most certainly shows that Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89%, which truly shows that CHZ in every practical sense acquired roughly 1.43% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 2.78%, coming to $2,159.18 during the past 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP especially, is up by 2.68 and presently exchanging at 63 cents, which really is very critical. Moreover, Solana came to $63.36 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, truly further appearance how Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on, so 03 December 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and essentially attempt to answer these regularly fundamentally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what sort of is truly transient cost expectation for Chilliz, for the most part is CHZ an essentially wise venture, which really is very huge. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market basically is going in a really descending heading for present moment, exhibiting that moreover, Solana came to $63.36 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, especially further appearance how Chilliz support and opposition levels and so on, so 03 December 2023, in this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and certainly attempt to answer these regularly generally clarified some things, facts, what basically is somewhat transient cost expectation for Chilliz, especially is CHZ a truly wise interest in a fundamentally huge manner. As of now, a general most certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to essentially recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a genuinely significant way. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers especially become in every practical sense more sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which especially is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which vendors generally become move truly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in every practical sense is very critical. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, fundamentally is at $0.077, up 1.43% in the very beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 0.6% over the course of the week. Sort of additional appearance how support truly is a level at which purchasers especially become considerably more truly dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any really further in a sort of significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC fundamentally is 41,786,639.00 United States dollars, while pretty complete market cap came to $585,943,180 United States dollars, showing that XRP, the truly local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 2.68 and presently exchanging at 63 cents in an especially significant manner. There explicitly are practically 7,655,073,480 essentially are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33%. Which really shows that Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16. Chilliz value examination CHZ cost examination for 03 December 2023, inside a sort of day-to-day time span, sort of made sense of beneath, in a sort of huge manner. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving especially normal intermingling and disparity, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to in every practical sense, dissect the future development of the Chilliz. Showing how Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense, distinguish essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The sort of relative strength record, RSI, for CHZ coin fundamentally is right now floating at 28 for 14 days really normal line, which generally implies CHZ essentially is in oversold zone, and a pattern decently inversion sort of is conceivable, so as of now, a genuinely broad extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which basically is very critical. The Chilliz especially has certainly break all its sort of supports levels, and things in a real sense are not looking truly great for the crypto market, which basically shows that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a fundamentally descending heading for all things considered, present moment, exhibiting that moreover. Solana came to $63.36 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, genuinely further appearance